There we go. There's one. Oh, maybe it's not that little. There's one. There's one. First, oh, guys, first cast. Welcome to Get the Gaff Outdoors Open Water 2024. Duck poop just landed in the water. There comes a goose. Well, we've been doing a little farm pond fishing. First attempt at a video for the year, and first cast we were hooked up with what I imagine was a smallie. I felt it tap the Ned rig. Water is up, which I have actually not really fished this river very much. With the water being up, the past couple years have been very dry in our area, so the spots to fish have been kind of few and far between, but there's a lot of fishable water here right now. God, these bugs are incredible. I don't know what they are. They're not biting me or bothering me, but they're just, ooh, what was that? There's one picked it up in the current. Nice smallie. There we go. I don't know how nice, but first smallmouth of the year. Little 12-inch guy. Oh, let's get it out of your gills. A couple wood ducks landed up there. Oh, there he gets up. Perfect. Well, not a giant by any means, but they fight so dang good. Sweet. All right, we're gonna throw a cast with a little swim bait. Hopefully that tail's working. Yeah, it's kind of working. Might need to put some different line on this rod. There's one. Oh, how did I miss him? Oh. What? My hook is sharp? It's the second one I've lost. That was a good hook set and everything. Crap. There's one. Got him pinned. There we go. Oh, there's other fish swimming around it. Yeah, they're mean, especially in this current. One's a little bit bigger, maybe. Just a hair. It's probably about the same size. Realistically. Still fun though. Doink! Just kind of letting the current just kind of really bounce my Ned rig down. I've been casting just mostly to my left, but we'll let this one float down a little bit, see if we can do something kind of similar. Hopefully, those are probably males. Hopefully there's some big pre-spawn females in here. They're gonna start spawning here sometime soon, hopefully, which can be a lot of fun in these smaller bodies of water. There's one. And by one, I mean a stick. Well, that broke off on a rock. We are going to tie a leader on this from my other rod. All right, that took a while, but we got a new jig head on. We had to tie a leader on. We tied on a jig head that couldn't really get this Ned rig to fit on, so I had to untie that, retie another one on, but we're fishing. There's one. Oh my God! Am I setting it like too hard? Oh, guys, that one toasted it just like it's supposed to. Oh, that one ain't coming back either. We stung him. I thought we had him dead to rights. There's one, little one. Oh, maybe it's not that little. About that same size. All right, we got a little redemption. Could have been the same fish. Although I don't see a giant hole in his face. That last one that I had, I definitely put a hook into it. All right, there's 3. That ain't bad. Really just hitting the exact same spot, but just from a different angle. And first 2 casts, we get bit. At least the 2 casts where we don't get snagged. There we go. I said I had one pick it up on the drop. Oh, and then one picked it up on the second drop. Could have been the same fish. Ow! But that one also does not have any holes in it. We got 4 new fish, guys. I want to get another one though. One of those felt big that I've lost, but who knows? It's actually kind of drizzling a little bit now. Last time I casted there, by this time I had a thump. Now we're just going down the current again. Ooh, going down the current, we got a good one. At least a better looking one, feeling one, because it was in the current where it bit. Probably our biggest one, not by much though. Really about that same size, maybe even smaller than some of the other ones. But they're full of spunk. Ooh, that was still an alright release, could have been worse. Oh, is that 5? That ain't bad. Not bad. I'm not gonna complain, but as soon as I say that, I am gonna complain. I hope we get some big ones, but I'll be happy with this if we don't.